Hi there, we're gonna make a quick shrimp ceviche at home and I'm gonna show you how to do it. For this recipe we're gonna be using cooked shrimp, so if you're a bit squeamish about raw fish you don't have to worry about with this recipe. And for the marinade we're gonna be using lime juice, extra virgin olive oil and smoky chipotle from Gran Luchito. Alright, let's get cooking. Finely dice half an onion, 1 small carrot and about a third of a cucumber. In a bowl add the shrimp with the diced onion, carrots and cucumber. Add about 2 teaspoons of Gran Luchito smoky chipotle on top and then squeeze the juice of 2 limes. Pour in extra virgin olive oil and if you're ready to serve, add the freshly chopped coriander, a pinch of salt and combine everything with a spoon. Serve with fresh slices of avocado and jalapeno. Add a pinch of smoky chipotle just to finish it up nicely and serve with lightly salted tortilla chips on the side. Enjoy!